9:52, despite a surge in coronavirus cases around the country, people are gearing up to take to the roads during the upcoming summer travel season. RV rentals are surging to new heights right now. A resident auto expert, Mike Caudill, is back with us this morning. Mike, good morning. Listen, I want to get right to this. You're standing right in front of an RV. How exactly robust is this RV market?
Well, speaking of RVs, and it's pretty funny, I'm normally in a suit and tie with you guys, and I'm never wearing a hat, so it's a little bit out of the norm. You're right. So listen to this. Across the nation right now, RV rentals are up 1,000%, and RV sales are up more than 650%. Why? Because people can socially distance themselves, get away with the family, and then enjoy just a little slice of sunshine and be out with nature. Of course, me living here in Tennessee, it's all about fishing and camping, and so that's what we're doing. This is our little camp spot. This is a travel trailer. It's 21 feet long. It's called a Keystone Outback, and what makes it so cool is the fact that you can tow it with a small SUV or a truck. But I'm going to bring you guys inside.
Yeah,
this is my new. By the way, this is my new griddle for the year. It's actually a campfire and a barbecue, and that thing is smokeless, which makes it really cool. Now, come in and check this out. I've got the AC blowing in here for you guys right now to keep it nice and cool. You got bunk beds for the kids. You've got a bath, so you got a full bath in here. You got this cool setup. You got your toilet, microwave, and all the things that you want. But listen to this. One of the stories that's really interesting, Ford Motor Company, speaking of automotive, came out yesterday. General Motors and said 50% of their white-collar workforce are going to work from home. So this is what everybody's doing. They're using a MiFi device like this Inseego device right here to take their internet on the road.
Wow.
So now they can go to a campsite. They can get all comfortable in it with their family and friends and kids, and they can socially distance themselves while also enjoying a little bit of work. So a lot of great stuff here. Let me give you guys this before you hit me with one more question. In the auto industry, everybody goes to kellybluebook.com to learn about cars. In the RV industry, everybody goes to gorving.com to learn about these things, trailers and all that stuff.
All right. Hey, Mike, appreciate it. Have a great summer.